My name is Bob Leitch, and I've been a volunteer photographer here at Winterthur since 2012. Here, I love the open space, the rolling hills, the beauty, and the natural, relaxed atmosphere of Winterthur. Although I have photographed in the house, my real passion is in the woods and the ponds, the trees, the shrubs, and the flowers that appear year-round. I also enjoy photographing the organized events such as point-to-point, wine tastings, bourbon and bluegrass, truck and tractor day, and brunch with Santa. Friends have asked, "Don't you get tired of shooting the same thing?" What many don't realize is that things are never the same here. There is always something new. Those plants, those trees, shrubs, and flowers are constantly changing. I look to photograph from a unique or artistic perspective whenever possible, to show off the subjects in their best form or from an angle that many may not think of. I've had folks say that I help them see things that they might have missed seeing. Nature artfully presented. That's my goal.